A new scam is taking over Instagram that sees people across the world being tagged in posts about Shein gift cards. It's one of many phishing scams online that aims to take your money by luring you into revealing your credit card information. The scam sees your Instagram account being tagged in a post which claims you have won a free Shein gift card and should click to claim it. Victims are asked to complete a short survey with questions like, do you agree with the prices of products on Shein? And how do you plan to use the Shein gift card? Then, they are told enter their name, address, and credit card details before being promised a gift card which will be sent in the post. However, you should not click on the link in this post, as the whole thing is a scam which will use your details to take money from your bank account. Thankfully, there's an easy way to stop being tagged in the annoying scam with just one click. Here's how to do it. Click on your profile picture, tap the three lines at the top, press Settings, and then go to Privacy. Press Posts and go to the Who Can Tag You section and change this to people you follow. And now you're done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.